Addie, come get it. Come here. Can you get the chain? Come get it. Here, let's move the ball. There you go. Good job. Yay! Addie say yay! Yay! Good job. You can do it again? Come here. Okay. Let's further this time. You can get it. You can get it. Come get it. Addie, come get it. Good job. Go get it. Good job. Yay. Good job, Ads. You did it. You want to get it again? Let's move it over here. You can get it. Go get it. Go get it. There you go. Good job. You did it. Yay. Addie say yay. Can you say yay? You're just happy you have that little ball. Alright. We have a crawler in the house. Addie say yay! Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Uh-oh. We're not going yet. Addie dropped the ball. Okay, she's gonna go get it. All by herself, go get it. Go get it. Addie. These floors are a little bit slippery. Go get it. Addie, get the ball. Get it. Get it. Oh, where's the ball? Oh, we see a little fruit fly. Oh. You gonna get the ball? All right, good job. Yay.